Listen, me and my wig like this. Come snatch it if you want to. I mean, it'll come off, but go ahead and snatch it if you want to. You hear me? Well, how you doing? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kie RaShon. Today's video is brought to you by Klaiyi Hair. They sent me another unit to review for you guys. So for today's install, we'll be showing you guys how I styled this unit down and up to give you two different looks. So if you want to rock this unit outside, you can still protect the neck. I ain't trying to have the sweat beads on my neck. I ain't trying to do it, okay? So now before we get into the styling, the specs, and what I think about the unit straight out the pack, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go.
It was just a misunderstanding. You waited in the rain for hours, and I couldn't say the right things. No, I checked your number twice, then I went home. But I wanna let you know that, yeah, everything about you makes me smile. I wanna be your best friend, your best friend. I wanna be around you all the time. You don't understand, you don't need to worry. I meant everything I said, you don't have to search no more. Love is all around, so baby, what's your hurry? You don't have to prove us to anyone. You don't need to worry. Go down low, stop it. Go down low, hold it. Go down low, baby. Go down, stop it, give it love. Go down low, stop it. Go down low, hold it.
Okay, so like I said, this unit comes to us from Klaiyi Hair. All the specs of my unit are right here on the screen, so if you want to check it out, you can. Let's, oh, god dang. Okay, so we unwrapped her. Okay, no glue whatsoever is on my head thanks to this mousse. Okay, if you don't have this mousse or it's sold out, go ahead and get the Nairobi mousse that I have in my Amazon store. But this is how we sitting right here. I ain't mad at her. Okay, so let me just brush this back. Well, first let me put on my glasses and make sure I'm seeing what I'm seeing. Okay, because I be fooling myself. Okay, she ain't bad. So we're just gonna brush this back a little bit like this. A little bit like that. It's glueless. Don't believe me? Just watch. Look, okay? Glueless. Not glued down, all right? And I use my little gap hack trick in the back. Well, it's not my trick, but I learned it from TikTok. So I went on and used it on this joint, and it's fitting down. Listen, me and my wig like this. You hear me? Okay, come snatch it if you want to. I mean, it'll come off, but go ahead and snatch it if you want to. You hear me? So let's go ahead and straighten this hair out. Well, you know, blow dry it straight. Y'all know how I like my wigs. This is a kinkier texture. It is lightweight. It's looking pretty good. I may change my shirt though, because I'm giving real, like, you know, boss babe, but not the boss that I want. I don't want this. I don't want this. Okay, so I got my blow dryer and my brush. I'm gonna go ahead and get to work. High heat on high. Okay, so this color is gorgeous. I'm pretty sure this is my first natural wig with like a color. I don't think I've tried one like this, and I've been, you know, I've been interested in how that's gonna look, and it looks good. And put my glasses on, make sure my track not showing. Okay, track is showing right there, so let me fix that. I'm pretty sure this is a 13x4 lace parting space. However, it does give you ample parting space on the side here. So even though it may be shorter in the middle, you still have enough room to give yourself a deep side part like me on the side if you want to. So I like that. I hate when a 13x4 is short here and here, like sis. So that is how that is looking. Okay, so I'm gonna use a little bit of my 360 powder, just a smidge, all up in my parting space. And that is pretty much it for this style. This color is gorgeous, y'all. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. You want to do like a little ponytail on the back? You can definitely do that. Okay, bars. But y'all know it's hot outside, so I think I want to try an up style. Hold up, hold up. I'm definitely changing this shirt because it's not giving me what I need it to give me. So we're going to do this like this. Okay. And this like this, like that. Where are my clips? Dang. Okay, and we're doing a ponytail. So I may need to spray this down for the ponytail. First, I'm gonna clip it up. And then I'm gonna wrap it down. Wrap it down like this. Right now I need to put the hair up in a ponytail. Ponytail, ponytail. I want the ponytail to be high up on my dome. So let me make sure it's up here where I want her. Okay, make sure it's up here. Okay, so the ponytail is high. Now I need to pull some of the hair out right here. Now I'm just gonna curl it up. Like that. I want a very messy, like, you know, updo. You know, y'all know that's my thing. Messy hair, big hair, that's what I like on me. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm showing you guys how to rock your wigs in the heat. Okay, we still wanna be cute. You can still be cute with natural hair too, so don't get it twisted, all right? But you know, if you wanna rock your wig, this is a style that will help you, all right? Even if the cap is not ventilated, which I'm pretty sure this one is not ventilated, it will still give you a nice little breeze on your neck, because once the neck get hot, it's over. It is over, okay? Okay, so let the neck breathe with this pin up and you'll be just fine, at least for a couple hours. Now, before I do this, I'm gonna change my shirt because I want a certain look, okay? And this is not giving me the look that I want, so hold on. Okay, now I'm back. So, I need to, all right, let me take this off. Bring some hair down in the back. All right, now I need to curl this up. Curl the bang. Like that. Curl it up, curl it up, curl it up. Uh-oh, let me not burn myself. That's what I get for showing off. Curl this side. Like that. Add some curls back in the back and put some hairspray on this joint. Now let me just fix some of these curls right here in the front. Okay, here we go. Make sure she's straight. Make sure my part is good to go. I'm changing my earrings because they're not working for this look. Hold up, hold up. Okay, so here we go with the finished look. I think it looks pretty daggone cute. This is how she's looking to the back, okay? It's not exactly as I want it, so don't judge the back. I'm still looking like a snack to the front, okay? But y'all, I really like the color of this texture wig. Like, I'm here for it, okay? Got my little nose cuff. Y'all know I ain't piercing nothing. And I'm feeling real cute. If you don't like it, that's okay. Okay, that's why it's on me. Unless somebody asks you, let's practice keeping things to yourself. Let's do that. Let's do that. Because that could be the one thing that takes somebody over the edge. Like, bop, bop. Now, before you guys ask me, the curl in this unit does fall if you do not set it. So you can see right here, the ones in the back that I did are pretty much falling. However, the ones that I sprayed, when I sprayed the hairspray and then I curled it up afterwards, these are staying, okay? So set your wigs, spray it with hairspray, you'll be just fine. I would say the fit of the cap is more big head associate based on how it's fitting on my sides, but the comfort of the cap is big head friendly. It's no pressure on my head whatsoever. My temple's not pulsating, my wig is not lifting. I'm here for this look on me, and I'm pretty sure for my specs it's under $200 and they have that paying for. Okay, listen, hang up the phone. Okay, hang it up now. You don't need Daddy Papa for this one. But that is all I got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to Kie here for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link, my specs, and any coupon codes I have for this unit down below. So if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.